At La Rochelle, France, American crews continue the work that keeps the war moving. Transportation units of the American Expeditionary Forces report continued rail assembly across the French ports. Thousands of freight cars are now being prepared for inland service, with locomotives arriving from American factories. We now return to the music. This is for the men at La Rochelle. The following selection is Wake Up America, performed by Joseph A. Phillips.
America, while our swords turn weak with rust, is the blood of our fathers wasted, and how have we treated their trust? Is Columbia the gem of the ocean? Is our glory the pride of the free? Let's forget every selfish emotion. United forever, let's be. Wake up, America. If we are called to war, are we prepared to give our lives for our sweethearts and our wives, our mothers and our homes worth fighting for? Let us pray God for peace, but peace with honor. But let's get ready to answer duty's call. So when Old Glory stands unfurled, let it mean to all the world, America is ready, that's all. Do you remember George Washington, that winter at Valley Forge? Jackson and Custer and Farragut and Perry asked for George. McKinley and Lincoln were fighting men, and the heroes our country knew. Simply crowd through our history pages. Just think what they've done all for you. Made Columbia the gem of the ocean, made Old Glory the pride of the free. Shall we fail in our test of devotion? Oh, what is our history to be? Wake up, America. If we are called to war, are we prepared to give our lives for our sweethearts and our wives, our mothers and our homes worth fighting for? Let us pray God for peace, but peace with honor. But let's get ready to answer duty's call. So when Old Glory stands unfurled, let it mean to all the world, America is ready, that's all.
The White House has issued a statement reminding citizens of their duty to support the war through the purchase of Liberty Loan bonds. Bonds are available through local banks, post offices, and authorized agents across the country. President Woodrow Wilson is expected in New York this September to lead the Fourth Liberty Loan ceremonies. Former President Theodore Roosevelt will also appear in Baltimore, where officials hope to strengthen public support for the campaign. We now return to the music for the families at home. The following selection is America, Here's My Boy, performed by George Wilton Ballard.
Mothers knocking at the nation's door, a million mothers, yes, and there'll be millions more. And while within each mother's heart they pray, just hark what one brave mother has to say. America, I raised a boy for you. America, you'll find him staunch and true. Place a gun upon his shoulder. He is ready to die or do. America, he is my only one, my hope, my pride and joy. But if I had another, he would march beside his brother. America, here's my boy. America, I raised a boy for you. America, you'll find him staunch and true. Place a gun upon his shoulder. He is ready to die or do. America, he is my only one, my hope, my pride and joy. But if I had another, he would march beside his brother. America, here's my boy. There's a million mothers waiting by the fireside blind, a million mothers waiting for the call tonight. And while within each heart there'll be a tear, she'll watch her boy go marching with a cheer. America, I raised a boy for you. America, you'll find him staunch and true. Place a gun upon his shoulder. He is ready to die or do. America, he is my only one, my hope, my pride and joy. But if I had another, he would march beside his brother. America, here's my boy. America, he is my only one, my hope, my pride and joy. But if I had another, he would march beside his brother. America, here's my boy.
We close this program with appreciation for the men overseas and for those who support them at home. To the men serving abroad and the families who sustain them, this program is respectfully dedicated. God bless America.